If your home is not selling in Charlotte right now, it is almost never the market's fault. It is all about strategy. And the scary part, small mistakes can cost you months on the market or thousands of dollars in price cuts. I have seen this happen far too many times, and I do not want this to happen to you. So here's exactly what I'm going to break down for you today. The 5 real reasons why homes sit on the market and how to fix each one before your listing loses traction. So the number 1 reason why homes do not sell is because it is priced too high from day number 1. So here in the Charlotte region, houses are sitting on the market on average around 55 days, which is up from 51 days last year. Inventory is also up over 12% compared to this time last year. In short, that means that buyers have more options and they will scroll right past your home if the pricing does not make sense. The first 2 weeks of being listed on the market are everything. That's when you get the most eyes, that's when you get the most showings, and that's when you get the most momentum. And being priced too high, you blow all of that opportunity right out the window. And then you end up chasing the market down with price cuts. We'll also get into why that makes things even worse. Reasoning number 2 is poor presentation. Buyers are expecting homes to look the part, and they are more picky than we've seen in the past years. From bad photos, clutter, or just lack of repairs, all of these things kill perceived value instantly. You don't need a full renovation, but what you do need is a decluttered, clean, well-lit, and professionally photographed home. And these are non-negotiable in this market. Reasoning number 3, and this one seems to surprise people, but putting your home on MLS is just not cutting it anymore. Charlotte's inventory has grown significantly, and you are competing with thousands of other homes and listings that are on the market. If your agent's strategy is to list and wait, that's a problem. Your home needs targeted digital exposure from social media, email campaigns, and coming soon strategies. Your home needs to receive a buzz before it even goes live. The goal is to create demand, not just availability. Reasoning number 4, totally ignoring what today's buyers expect. This is not 2021, and buyers are no longer waiving appraisals and waiving inspections out of desperation. Today's buyers, they have more options to compare, and they have more time to think, and they are asking for repairs, credits, and concessions more than ever. So if your home has known issues, outdated systems, or deferred maintenance, just go ahead and take care of those things because it will come up in the inspection anyway, or price it accordingly. Most importantly, getting ahead of it keeps you in control. Point 5, and this one really stings, chasing the market with repeated price cuts. When a buyer sees a home that has had 2 or 3 price reductions, they're not thinking, great deal. They are thinking, what is really wrong with it? Price cuts create a stigma, and they can signal desperation. So here in Charlotte, where homes are selling on average at 98% of the list price, you do not want to be that home that started way too high and then slowly started working its way down. So what's actually working right now? Strong marketing, proper prep, and proper pricing. Charlotte is still a strong market for sellers who do it right and who are working with an agent who has a strong strategy. The homes that are priced and positioned well are still selling, and the ones that are not and still sitting, well, they are missing one of these 3 things. So here's what I want to know. How long has your home been on the market? Or if you are thinking about selling, do you want to avoid these mistakes? Drop your situation in the comments below, and I would be more than happy to tell you what exactly needs to be adjusted. No pressure, just real feedback. And if you found this helpful, hit the like button and make sure that you subscribe. I post real content about Charlotte every single week. Make sure you don't miss out.